For any corrective action being implemented, in order to keep track of who is doing what and by when, we will be using a corrective action matrix. You can open this template from the Improve section of the DMAIC menu or Lean Tools in the Standard menu. Click on the Launch button to open the template in a new tab. You will be prompted to enter a title, then click Create. Using the template is straightforward. Enter the team name, team leader, date, and revision number at the top. Then fill out the table with the following information for each corrective action or task. Reference number, a tracking number that may also be tied in with the project priority list or linked to a numbered cause and effect or fishbone chart. Action, a summary or description of the improvement action being implemented. Person responsible, the person with primary responsibility to implement the action. Target date, the due date for implementation. Effectiveness, a percentage value indicating how much of the problem will be corrected when the action is implemented, and current status, which helps identify any risk of missing the target date. You can add rows and columns to your template by clicking on the plus button where you would like the new cells to appear. And you can delete rows and columns by clicking within that row or column and then selecting on the trash can icon as it appears next to it. You can also change the headings to suit the needs of your organization. This concludes our tutorial. You can find more tutorials for tools in EngineRoom by going to www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.